Want to recover only text messages from an iPhone backup? In this video, we'll show you how to extract just your messages, no full restore needed. Method 1. Extract text messages from iPhone backup using Doctor for iOS. iTunes and iCloud only allow full backup restores, which overwrite your data. To extract just messages, use Mobican Doctor for iOS. It lets you preview and recover messages from iTunes backup easily. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Open the program and choose Recover from iTunes Backup File. Select your iPhone backup from the list and click Start Scan. Step 2. Wait for a little while, and when the scanning is finished, you can see an interface just like below. Files on your iPhone backup have been categorized and listed in the interface. Check the folder of messages, and then hit the Start Scan button again. Step 3. After the scan, you can preview the detailed text conversation. Mark the messages you wish to extract, and then hit the Recover to Computer button to save them on your desktop computer with one click. Method 2. Extract SMS from iPhone backup in iTunes. Connect your iPhone via USB and open iTunes. Go to Summary Restore Backup. Select the backup with your messages, click Open, then Restore. Method 3. Extract messages from iPhone backup in iCloud. Go to Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings. Set up iPhone Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in, choose a backup, stay on Wi-Fi. Bonus: how to recover deleted messages on iPhone without backup. Open Doctor for iOS on your computer and connect your iPhone. Once your device is recognized, click Next. Choose SMS as the data type you want to recover and hit Start Scan. After scanning, you'll see a list of deleted messages that can be recovered. Preview the messages, select the ones you want, and click Recover to Computer. Then just pick a folder to save them. That's it. Now you know how to recover your messages from iTunes or iCloud. Thanks for watching.